Welcome! If you never want to miss another Instagram Live from your favorite creators, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on live video notifications for Instagram using your phone's settings. This quick update ensures you're always in the loop whenever someone you follow goes live. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your Settings app. This is where you control all your app permissions and notifications for every app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of every app installed on your phone. Find and select Instagram from the list. Once you're on the Instagram app info page, look for the option labeled Notifications. Tap on it to access all the different types of alerts Instagram can send you. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a section called Notification Categories. Tap on this to view all the specific types of notifications you can manage for Instagram. Now, scroll through the list until you find live videos. This is the setting that controls whether or not you'll get alerts when someone you follow starts a live broadcast. To make sure you never miss out, simply toggle on the switch next to live videos. When the switch turns blue or green, you're all set. From now on, your phone will notify you instantly whenever someone goes live on Instagram. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've made sure you'll always be the first to know when your favorite creators hit that live button. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting live on Instagram.